Hi, I'm Colleen, and I'm an outreach educator for Muse Knoxville. Together, we're going to explore the lessons we bring into your classroom so you can do them at home with us. Today, we're going to do part of one of my favorite lessons, STEM structures. In STEM structures, you become the engineer. An engineer is someone who uses their skills in math and science to solve a problem. Do you know an engineer? Today, engineer, your challenge will be to create the tallest structure you can. Well, what's a structure? A structure is something that is constructed or built using parts, like a bridge or a building. The parts we use in STEM structure are popsicle sticks, cubes, and tiny cups. It's okay if you don't have these materials at home. You can use whatever you find around your house, like measuring cups, building blocks, and even sticks from outside. If we're going to use these items, we also have to use the engineering design process, which looks like this. In the engineering design process, there's steps we have to take so we can construct our structures. The first step is you're given a problem. The problem today is building for me the tallest structure you can. Then you'll get to gather and explore all of your items. Next, you get to design your structure. You can even draw a picture for your plan. Then you get to build. Don't worry if your structure falls over. The last step in the engineering design process is to try again and make it better. Would you like to build with me? Let's try. I have a structure and a base. The base is the bottom of my structure. I think next I'll put on a cup. Ooh, and then maybe a cube. And then next I'll try a stick. Maybe I'll try and keep my pattern going with a cup and a cube and a stick. I could keep going up, but my tower fell over and that's okay. Remember, I can try again and make my structure better. I would love to see the structures that you make at home as well. Share with us at the Muse Knoxville your design plans and your structures. And I'll see you again next week for more challenges. Have a nice day.